How do you find leaks in a sprinkler system?
It's all about sound. So whether it's a sprinkler system, swimming pool system, plumbing system, but sprinkler systems are a little bit different. First, we have to understand what it is, where it is, how many different zones are running off of one system, what's feeding the system. And we work with isolation. We shut valves, we isolate zones. If you do find it in a zone, we plug them up and we put them under pressure with air and water. Listening with our soil probe, we're able to actually hear the sound of the air and water escaping the pipe, and it puts us over the leaks every time. A big problem that we have with irrigation contractors is they'll send their guys out with shovels and they dig unnecessarily. They dig in areas that don't need to get dug up, and they also do some damage. They'll break concrete, they'll open up a sidewalk, they'll take a look underneath to find out there's no leak down there. When you're using the LeakTronics irrigation equipment, you can pinpoint where those leaks are, get right over them, dig, and you're right over the top of the leak and you can repair it.